Hello and welcome to autumn. Meteorologically speaking, that is, and a fine start to the new season for most of us with some pleasant sunshine. Damp though in the far northwest, and by that I mean Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, where the weather front has introduced some thicker cloud and some mainly light outbreaks of rain and drizzle. That weather front though is moving into an area of high pressure, and that means that for eastern Scotland, England and Wales, well, sunny skies for some, but a lot of cloud cover for others, especially around these central areas where the cloud will tend to fill in around the middle part of the day. I think sunniest around some of these western coasts, and eastern Scotland also faring quite well. But thicker cloud for Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, where we do have that damp afternoon to come. 17 or 18 degrees in the northwest with a freshening breeze making it feel cool, but where we've got some bright spells elsewhere, 19 or 20 degrees, a degree or so up compared to Monday afternoon, and feeling pleasant enough. Heading into Tuesday evening, clearing skies for much of England and Wales, but thickening cloud for Scotland and Northern Ireland, where outbreaks of rain move in, increasingly persistent wet weather and some heavy bursts at times. Along with that, strengthening wind, gales for exposed western and later on northern coasts of Scotland. With the cloud and the breeze in the west, well, there'll be a contrast in temperatures with double figures in western parts of the UK and not quite as chilly as previous nights further east, but still single figures, I think, for sheltered parts of England, East Wales, eastern Scotland. A bright start, nevertheless, despite the fresh feel first thing, and we've got sunny spells to come for much of England throughout the morning. Scotland, Wales, southwest England, Northern Ireland seeing thick cloud, a breeze picking up through the day, and those outbreaks of rain. The rain will be on and off and not particularly heavy in many places, but for northwest England, Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, it will be heavy and persistent at times, and it will mount up 100 mils over some of the top peaks of Cumbria, I think. But for southwest Scotland, the rain could cause impacts later in the day because 30 mils widely, 60 mils over exposed hills, and some particularly heavy rain at times, likely to cause travel disruption and localised flooding as well. Yellow warning in force. It's also windy in the northwest. We'll continue to see risk of gales in exposed locations. So of course all of that going on means it's not going to feel particularly warm. But in the southeast, well, temperatures up a degree or even 2 degrees compared to Tuesday, and because we're importing slightly more humid air. 21 or 22 Celsius possible in the east of England. And it stays bright there right till the end of the day, I think, but elsewhere a lot of cloud cover, on and off rain, showery for the southern half of the UK, but more persistent further north. And it's always eastern areas where we'll see the driest and clearest conditions heading into Thursday. Thursday's a more showery day, and then the weather looks like settling down for the weekend. Follow us on social media. We'll keep you updated right here. Bye-bye.